Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you are having a great and wonderful day. Alright guys, back on behalf of Pure Profit Pro. If you are looking for an online business in the mid-ticket to, I guess you'd say, high-ticket range, this is the program for you. This program has been around about 3 years now, and it's internet marketing. There's 3 levels of training, 3-level packages, if you will, with this program. You can join at the $250 level, the $500 level, or the $1,000 level. That's what I like about it. It's only 3 levels. The lowest you can make is $250. Whatever level you come in at, that is the amount, the least amount you can make. Okay? So if someone comes in higher than you, you would make that amount that you invested, and the rest would pass up to your sponsor. And if you want to upgrade, you would simply just pay the difference and the actual admin fee of that level you wanted to upgrade to. Okay, but there's 3 training packages, if you will, right here before you on the screen. And once you opt in, you'll see, just click the levels, you'll see the package levels here. But what I like is it's instant pay. It's member to member. It's direct sales. So once someone actually picks a package, they pay you directly. They pay the company the admin fee, and then you give them access to the back office, and they're in and they're up and running. Real easy program. And there's different ways you can market it. We have different traffic sources, different resources rather, in which you can market this program. Of course, paid advertising would be the main way to get more eyeballs looking at your opportunity. With Pure Profit Pro, I like the video that they have. You'll get a page just like this one. This video is very professional. They have a nice website, as you can see that I'm on. This is the website you will receive as well. This video right here will do all you guys. Okay. And we have all the resources and training and tools you need to be successful. And I have a special training that you'll have access to. You'll have a login so you can get in and look at some additional training besides what the company is going to provide you in the package that you select. Okay, and as well as some different ad copy, guys, that you can send to your email list, some ads. I have a plethora of just tools that I've had in the past that I use, and I share that with you as well. If you want to send out some emails, if you want to post some ads, I have some ad copy you can use. Okay, I also put together a postcard for this program too, so if you're interested in just mailing postcards, you don't want to deal with the online drive prospects to this website. Okay, and the website, again, right here, this video is going to do the selling and telling for you. And if someone's interested, they'll give you a call, or you can also follow up with them as well. Okay, so a real simple program. As you can see right here, this is my page, and they'll have you put your information in here as well. It's personalized to you, and for the average person as well, guys, because the price points are awesome. I mean, look at the price points. $250 plus $95. Okay. $500 plus $125. $1,000 plus $145. All you're going to need to do is pass up your first sale. Once you pass up your first sale at the level you joined at, then you're ready to roll, and you're ready to proceed, and all the earnings from that point will come to you. Again, if someone comes at a higher level, you'll receive just the level that you come in at, and the rest will be passed up. An example will be if you come in at the 500 level and someone comes at the 1,000, you will make the 500. The other 500 will go up. But the system will do that automatically. It will direct the person where to go to pay that money, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with that. The software in place will take care of all that for you. You have a back office so you can track your sales. You'll receive an email when you receive a sign up. So then, and you can work this from your smartphone or tablet as well, so you don't always have to be in front of a computer. Okay, anywhere there's internet, any device, used to work this business. Okay, Pure Profit Pro is the way to go. If you have any questions about this program, feel free to give me a call or text me, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. I'm also using text messaging. I forgot to tell you that. So that's another way to market, using text message marketing, and I'll be happy to share that resource with you as well. All right, guys, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.